Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your data usage on Starlink using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, you will see the main dashboard. This screen shows the status of your Starlink connection. Now look at the bottom or slide menu. Tap on settings or tap usage if you see it on the screen. Now select data usage. This is where Starlink shows how much internet you have used. Here you can see a graph and numbers. This shows how much data you used today, this week or this month. The numbers are usually shown in GB, which means gigabytes. You can change the view to check daily or monthly usage. This helps you manage your internet better and avoid slow speeds. And that's it. We have successfully checked your Starlink data usage on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.